Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute star motif. Make a slip knot. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert your hook into first stitch. Pull through. Make a ring. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, hide this yarn under a stitch, make cluster a stitch, yarn over, go to this ring, pull through, yarn over, pull through, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through all of them, 1, 2 chains, yarn over, make 1 cluster, pull through all of them, 1, 2 chains, make cluster stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 1, 2 chains, yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through all of them, 1, 2 chains, insert your hook into this chain, top of first stitch, slip stitch. In first row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cluster. Go to this stitch, change color, tie yarn, insert your hook into this stitch, make 1, 2 chains, make cluster stitch, make 1 cluster stitch, 1 cluster, 1, 2 chains, in this stitch 1 cluster, go to next stitch, skip this cluster stitch, 1 cluster stitch, one, two, three, four, 5 chains, go to this stitch, 1 cluster stitch, go to next stitch, skip this cluster stitch, make 1 cluster stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, 1 cluster stitch, Go to next stitch, 1 cluster stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, 1 cluster stitch, go to next stitch, 1 cluster stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, 1 cluster stitch, go to this chain top of first chains, a slip stitch, go to one corner, change color, tie yarn, make 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet in this corner. Skip this stitch, go to between of these clusters, make 1 single crochet, go to next corner, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 chains, 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, go to this stitch, 1 single crochet, and repeat this in these corners, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 4 chains, 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet in here, make 1 single crochet, go to first chain, a slip stitch, make a slip knot, go to any corner, make 1 2 chains in corner, in one corner, hide this yarn under stitches, 1 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet in corner, chains, 2 double crochet, chains, 3 double crochet. We have 3 stitches, 3 chains, 3 stitches in corners. Yarn over, go to this stitch from back, a stitch from back loop, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, a stitch from back loop, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, a stitch from back loop, make 1 double crochet, a stitch from back loop, make 1 double crochet. For all stitch until corner. Go to this corner, make 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet, and continue like this. Go to first stitch and a slip stitch, make a slip knot, go to any stitch, make 1 chain and a slip stitch, a slip stitch, like this.